Hello guys, let's install React.js on VS Code. First, first of all, click Windows with R in your keyboard and type cmd and open. Then type cd desktop. Then type command npx create Next.js. So it will start the installation. So you have to name our project. We will name it as React course. Then do you want to use TypeScript? No. Yes, no. Do you like to use Telegram? If you want to use, you can use. If you don't want to use, you can't. You can choose no. But I want to use, so I will choose S. And click on no. Or app router S. No. Then it will start installing all the dependencies. It will take a couple of minutes, so please wait for that. So the packages are installed. So let's open this. Type cd and the file name you put we created React course. Then type code dot. It will open it in VS Code. So you can see all the files are created. Page.js is the important file, and you can run your you can run this by typing npm run there in your terminal. Then this is URL. Copy this localhost. Open browser. Paste in the browser. You can see it's running Next.js. So thanks for watching.